is Monday, it is 2 o'clock here in Annapolis.
And it's 7 o'clock in England.
And we hope you've had a great weekend, we hope you've kept safe, and we hope you enjoyed the performance video you saw on Friday. And I hope that it gave you some idea as to how I integrate my personality into my tricks. It's so important, boys and girls, to invest you into your magic and to think about how you are different to everybody else on this planet, because there's only one of you, isn't there?
Yeah.
There's only one Lara Dugdale in the world.
There's only one Chris Dugdale in the world.
I mean, there might be more people called Lara Dugdale and Chris Dugdale, but there's only one of us with our individual personality. So always remember the power of you. Now, talking of the power of you, I notice that you have got something in your hands. Is it a trophy?
No.
Is it a baboon butt?
No.
Well, what is it then?
It's a drawing.
Oh, that's so cool. Wow. What you going to do with it?
No, that's not that. It's da-na-na-na-na, da-na-na-na.
The rainbow is being coloured. Wow.
So there's
Show the boys and girls, hold it up.
there's a rainbow and a magic wand, and the magic wand turned this person into a dinosaur.
Dun, dun, dun. Wow. The truth is, boys and girls, I asked Lara, can I just show the boys and girls that? It's because it's beautiful. I asked her to do a piece of art for the Kids Magic Academy, and she came up with a wonderful idea of combining magic wands with a rainbow, which I thought was really nice. So well done you. Thank you very much indeed. Right. So for today's trick, we need a cup and we need some water. Now, about that much water, maybe just over an inch, maybe less. Put your finger in there and tell me, is that real water?
Yeah.
Yes, it
so
is.
cool.
Okay, cool. And is it really wet? That was naughty, wasn't it? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Listen, I tell you what we're going to do. We're going to pour it into here. Okay. Maybe don't need quite all of it. That should be enough. Now, wave your hand over the top. And imagine one of your favourite cartoons in the world is Frozen, right? Yeah? Imagine the whole room is getting colder and colder. You start to shiver. Hold out your hands like this. 3. Did you hear it? Show the boys and girls what's happening.
Ice cream.
It has changed into an ice cube. Isn't that crazy?
Ah.
What are you doing? Take it out. I need to show the boys and girls how it's done. Take it out. Oh, that's disgusting. Right, boys and girls, this is a wicked trick. It's so much fun to do. That was cool, wasn't it? Yeah. What you need to do, you need to get a tall cup and a wide cup. The taller and wider the better. I need that. Thank you. The taller and wider the better. It's a good job you're my daughter, or else I'd never touch that again. You need a sponge, which you put in the bottom of the cup.
There's another piece.
Yep, there's 2 pieces, because what I did, boys and girls, I looked at the bottom of the cup and then I cut my sponge to form sort of the majority of the bottom. You'll see it's actually still got all the water in it that I poured in there. So you place that down in the bottom, that covers most of the bottom area, and then you place this bit just there to fit in. So all I've done there, obviously it depends on the cup you're using, I've covered as much of the bottom of that cup as possible with that sponge. You then place the ice cube on top, okay? And they don't know that ice cube is in there, because you never go like this, all right? You never show them the ice cube, okay? Water in here.
Pour it.
Yeah, pour it, but always remember to keep it above eye level, above eye line, so that they can't look in and see. Water goes in, and the water will go into that sponge and absorb into the sponge, or most of it will. You then do some acting, don't you? You talk about the room getting colder, shivering on the arms, on the back of the neck. And this is what I like to do. I like to go, listen, 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 listen. Could you hear that? Yeah? You heard that? Yeah? Hold out your hands. And then you tip the ice cube onto the hands. Okay? Now, obviously, that didn't work properly that time because I didn't get rid of the water in the sponge. Okay? So always remember to dry out your sponge in between performances, just as I did not do just then. Okay? So that is the... You seriously going to eat that? That's what I love about you, Lolly. You never know what is going to happen with Lara. Okay? Can I borrow? Thank you very much indeed. Thank you to my wonderful wife, Alexis, for getting these ready. So, boys and girls, sponge in the bottom, ice cube on top, water in a small glass, pour it into the sponge. Ideally, if I'm honest, what you want to do is get as thick a sponge as possible as well. Probably thicker than the one I have in there, because the thicker, the more absorbent it will be. Hold it a minute, get them to hold your hands out, tip the ice cube onto their hands, and bingo. That is the effect. We will see you tomorrow for an amazing sucker trick. Now, when I say the word sucker, what I mean by that is, boys and girls, it is a trick where your audience truly believes everything has gone really badly wrong. So we will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.